As you can see, this is my birdhouse, front, roof, and the side. Uh, the journey was a really beautiful journey, and it took a lot of hard work, especially the part in which I had to cut each and every pieces individually using a handsaw. So first of all, I started by collecting all my plywood from Dominique. So drawing my on my plywood with a pencil and like erasing lot of my works because they were off by 1 or 2 centimeters, which I every time I drew a piece, I did 2 3 checks, and that's why most of my pieces are synchronized and are really done beautifully. I added 1.5 centimeters margin of error when we were told to add 1. I believe that 0.5 centimeters, even though I might have cut most of my pieces perfectly, it was a great safety buffer because it gave me a much more relaxed tone when I was cutting. Uh, also, uh, it required a lot of effort to cut my pieces, especially with handsaw. It makes your hands really tired after each and every individual piece, but the end product is so nice that I believe it it paid off to go through that cutting phase. Then I sanded all my pieces. Most of my pieces it took a lot of time to sand because I had added a zero point 0.5 margin of error. But some pieces it took really quickly to uh, sand because I cut into the margin of error. But that's still fine. To note, I believe the fastest two phases were actually the gluing and the painting phase, as it took only 2 staybacks to finish it. Also, the lab classes were really limited, so it took a really long time to finish most of my work. But yes, uh, I have I went to the gluing phase, which I individually glue every single piece. I even added duct tape to the piece when I was additional duct tapes to every single piece, connecting it to each one another. Uh, because I was taking it home and I wanted to be careful. After drying it off for a day and putting it in the hot Dubai sun, it uh, it solidified and the glue became really hard. So anytime it dropped, it didn't crack into pieces, or the pieces didn't separate. Then I went to my painting phase. As you can see here, my birdhouse has a dark green and light green and normal green patterns, which I had to modify using the black and white paints on the original green color we had in the design lab. I added spots of light green and dark green on top of the normal green to imitate a much more tree like structure, because the to blend in with the leaves, right? It makes it easier for the birds to come in, as they see it as a safe area and against predators. Because after research was done, we found out natural colors like this make birds feel much more safe. So that's why I did this color. Actually, at the back, there is a ventilation area over here to allow for proper ventilation in the Dubai heat. Later, if I see it's become really hot inside, I might add 2 holes over here and 2 holes over here, and at the other side too, because it is important to keep the birds cool in this birdhouse. At the back, I didn't do any painting because I didn't feel it was necessary, as it would most probably be attached to the tree. So this is my birdhouse. It was a nice process, beautiful process. I learned a lot of skills on the way, like time management, hard work, and determination, and especially patience. There is a big emphasis on patience and hard work, but after this birdhouse, I have developed important skills, and I believe I can take on a project like this anytime. My name is Krishanganan. Thank you, and I'm from MYP4E.